Hey everyone, hope you all are doing great. So today I'll be telling you how you can give your Google Analytics access to any person, any freelancer or any marketing agency you are working with. So first of all, you can see the settings icon below. Click on the admin here in your analytics dashboard. So in the admin bar, you can see on the second account access management. You have to click on it. Now here you can see how many users can access the data. It shows you are the administrator. Now click on the blue add icon and click on add user. Here, add the email address of the user or any person whom you want to give access to your Google Analytics account. I've written my email, that's so easy at gmail.com, and click on notify. So there they get the email. So here we have the roles and data restrictions. So you can see the administrator. Administrator has a full control of your account, and they can also manage the users as well. Second is the editor. It is the safest one because they cannot manage users. They can just edit all of the data for your account. The marketer is also a good option if they want to see key events, models, and analyst role. And you can also click on learn more and to check each of these. Here in the data restrictions, you can see if your marketing team can see cost related and revenue related things. So I want to give the access of editor to the person, or maybe I'll give the marketer access and I'll click on add. Okay, now you can see the email is added as marketer and the person whom I want to tag or I want to give the access is added. So that's so easy and hope you like the video. If it helped you, do like and subscribe my channel. Have a great day. Bye bye.